recorded to tape, but how do you see Maritime Academies playing into help to alleviate this employee shortages?
So we've actually had that conversation with some of the folks at SUNY Maritime College, and I have friends of mine, a classmate of mine is in the facilities engineering program. They've actually built a new mini steam plant, if you will, in their engineering building. And the whole idea is that it will give students practical shoreside steam knowledge. So they have a small Cleaver Brooks boiler that runs on 2-oil, and that gets fired up and then will run a small steam turbine, but it also runs some heat exchangers and pneumatic controls, steam reducing stations, and gives real hands-on experience of what it's like to bring up pressure. And as we say, can he make vacuum? You'd have to make vacuum on the condenser on the ship in order to get everything to work, and that was always a true test. And the reason it's important is the shipping industry is now almost all diesel ships, and so that steam plant experience is going to go by the wayside. But yet here we are shoreside, and we still rely very heavily on steam. And so a lot of the plant operators that you would get were either merchant marine or Navy trained steam plant operators. And if you've ever been on a steam plant on a ship, it is very, very compact. And so you really have to spend a lot of time, as we would say, tracing lines and understanding your systems so that you know where everything comes from. If you can learn it in that environment, that's moving at 17 knots, pitching up and down, as we say, you've got to know how to fix stuff, because there's no tow truck coming to get you if you break down on the side of the canal. You've really got to understand how to repair what you operate. And